This is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will do monthly horoscope for November 2021, and to start with, we'll take the natives with Aries sign to know what is coming in November for these people with respect to their career, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end of it we'll do the remedies to overcome the problem. So friends, let us start our video, and if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Friends, as you can see in this chart, this is a transit chart for November 2021 or the planetary positions in November 2021. Now the career for Aries native. The planet Saturn is present in the 10th house of Capricorn, which represents your profession and your career. The transit of Saturn here suggests that you will have to work extremely hard, but the presence of Jupiter, which is 9th Lord in the 10th house, with 10th Lord Saturn making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, will give success after initial setbacks. So success after initial setbacks. Also, Sun is present in the 7th house, being in Libra, and is debilitated with ascendant Lord Mars, and the combination of these two fiery planets in the 7th house aspecting the ascendant can make you very impulsive, since Mars is aspecting its own house. So impulsive action on your part could be there, and it can enhance your leadership qualities in workplace to some extent. After 15th of November, Sun will transit to the next sign in the 8th house, and then things may start to calm down. But for the first 2 weeks of the month of November, persons in job are advised to keep their tempers down. For people in business, 7th Lord Venus will be present in the 9th house, which is a trinal house, and will be good, but placement of Sun and Mars in the 7th house of business, where Sun would be debilitated being in Libra sign, can cause fights and arguments between the partner, which can be due to false ego, and in some cases can even break the partnership due to aspect of Saturn on the 7th house. So people doing business in partnership should be careful, especially for the first 15 days of month of November, as after that Sun will transit to the next sign. And also the combination of 9th and 12th Lord Jupiter in the 10th house with 10th and 11th Lord Saturn, this would be aspecting the 12th house of journeys. So abroad journeys due to profession would be there, and also you would be gaining from these journeys. Now regarding the financial point of view, the planetary position indicates this month will remain generally favorable from financial point of view, but due to the placement of Rahu in the 2nd house, finance, your saving may get awry, or there could be some disturbance in saving due to some sudden expenditure. But since Jupiter is aspecting the 2nd house from 10th house, you will be able to manage things. Also, 2nd Lord Venus is placed in the 9th house, which is a trinal house, so you should be able to manage things quite comfortably. Meanwhile, those into business, if need of loan and investment, they will get it easily, as 6th Lord Mercury is placed in the 6th house in own sign Virgo, which is the exalted sign of Mercury, and also there would be aspect of Jupiter on 6th house, so getting loan would be easy. For love and relationship, the month of November is mixed, as the 7th Lord Venus is placed in the 9th house, which is a trinal house, which is good for relationship, but as 5th Lord Sun is placed in the 7th house, and Sun being debilitated and placed with another fiery planet Mars, can create arguments and fights between the lover. Also, the aspect of Saturn on the 7th house, along with the placement of these two fiery planet in your 7th house can create clashes, fights and arguments between the two of you. So you should be careful as breakup is most likely to follow during this time. Also, after 15th of November, Sun will transit to the next house. There is a possibility of things getting little calmer. Singles would not find any luck in finding their love mate as 5th Lord Sun is debilitated in the 7th house along with another fiery planet Mars. Moreover, Saturn, another malefic planet, is aspecting the 7th house as well. So no luck for finding your love mate in month of November. For people who are married, the month of November could be challenging as two fiery planets Sun and Mars placed in the house of marriage aspected by another malefic Saturn, which can create situation tough for married native and can cause problems between husband and wife due to ego. The only silver lining is the placement of Venus in the 9th house or a benefic trinal house, so you are advised to keep your tempers down. Regarding the health point of view, this month will remain good in terms of health as ascendant Lord Mars would be aspecting the ascendant from the 7th house, or it will be aspecting the own house or Aries sign. Also, the placement of Sun with debilitated with the Mars can create some problems with boils and fevers as two fiery planets would be aspecting the Lagna. Your ascendant and the 5th Lord together, where Sun as a 5th Lord being debilitated and aspected by Saturn as well, there could be some stomach problem, but there will be no major ailment as well. But you should still pay attention to your diet and exercise. Now the remedies would be do the Venus mantra for relationship problems and do the Saturn mantra for problems related to profession or problems in workplace. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।